Hi everybody, happy Friday. So today for math you have 2 pages and they are some word problems, okay? So I'm going to read through them all and I'm going to go through the first one with you and then I'm going to set you free to do it yourself, okay? So for number 1 it says 3 cartons of milk. So 3 cartons of milk cost $24, okay? What is the cost of 1 carton of milk? So what is that asking us? Well, it's saying if I have 3 of them, all of that together, my whole thing together is 24. And I have bought 3 of them. So I want to know, so that's the 3 is my part, right? I want to know how much it cost for just 1 of those. So my equation would be, well, whole divided by my part equals my other part. So when I'm doing my division, remember, an easy way to do it is to say, what times 3 equals 24? Well, let's see. 8, right? So 24 divided by 3 equals 8. But it's a word problem, so I can't just say 8 because then I don't know, is it 8 potatoes, 8 tomatoes, 8 monkeys? Oh, it's $8, right? So the answer is that 1 carton costs $8. And for us, we're lucky because in our workbook it gives us a sentence at the bottom that says, the cost of 1 carton of milk is, and then you fill in the blank. As you get older, you're going to have to write that sentence yourself when you're doing a word problem. So that's why I'm always joking with you about really needing to have that label. Because in a word problem, we need to know what it is we're talking about, okay? So that's our first one. As you're going through your word problems, I'd like you guys to be doing work like this, to be saying, all right, what's my whole and what are the parts that I need? And then figuring out what the equation is. Okay, number 2 says, Nicole puts 15 cupcakes into boxes. Each box holds 3 cupcakes. How many boxes will she need? Well, we need to take our whole, which is those cupcakes, and we're going to divide them into boxes. And in each box, I'm putting 3 cupcakes. So how many boxes am I going to need? That's what you need to solve, right? 15 divided by 3 equals how many boxes? Number 3 says, Emma bought 18 notebooks. 3 notebooks cost $1. How much did she pay? So for that, you need to do 18 divided by the 3 notebooks to figure out how much she paid, okay? For number 4, 1 bag of tomatoes cost $2. How many bags of tomatoes cost $12? So, if 12's your whole because you're buying all these different bags of tomatoes and each bag of tomato costs $2, how many bags were you able to buy? Okay, so it would be 12 divided by 2 equals. Number 5. David spent $27 in 3 weeks. He spent the same amount of money each week. How much money did he spend each week? So if 27's my whole, after the 3 weeks, he spent that much all together. And it's saying that he spent that in 3 weeks. So whole and then a part. What's my other part? How much did he spend each week? So it will be 27 divided by 3 equals And then number 6, Carla and Lily shared the cost of a present equally. So Carla and Lily, there's 2 girls, right? The present cost $16. How much did each girl pay? So 16 divided by those 2 girls, how much did they each pay? Okay, so go through those. Make sure you show your work, because that's really the way. It's good to be able to do it all in your head, but it's also nice to see it out in front of you and work through it, and sometimes that helps you to not be as confused, okay? So work through these word problems, be practicing your 2s and 3s multiplication facts, okay? And have a good weekend. I'll see you back on Monday.